Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take you guys along with me on my very first solo Ikea trip. So if you are interested in seeing my journey to Ikea, what I get from Ikea, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am getting ready to roll out. I want to show you real quick what I did before I left. So I looked on the internet and looked at the pieces that I wanted or had an idea that I wanted from Ikea and kind of measured or looked at the dimensions of the actual boxes that they come in, not them, the boxes that they come in, because the boxes are going to determine if they can actually get into my car or not. So I have like a little small Nissan Sentra, nothing crazy, but I'm gonna flip the camera around to show you guys kind of what I did. So as you can see, not the best, cleanliness in the trunk, but that's okay. I did make some space so that basically the boards can just go straight across here. So I need it to be at least 60 inches long going this way and 30 inches going that way, which it does. It's a little more than 60 inches and a little more than 30 inches going that way, which is perfect. So I am going to put my Ikea boxes in here. Okay, so I have everything set for me to go. I have my toiletries for me because it is that time of month for me, unfortunately, and I wanted to have some backups of some things just in case. You never know what's gonna happen. And I'm going by myself. Ikea is an hour and a half away from where I live, so it'll be like a mini road trip. I'm used to driving about an hour and a half because my friends used to go to college about an hour and a half to 2 hours away from where we live, and I used to go and visit them pretty much all the time. So I'm used to that short little drive, but I did want to, have some things on hand just in case. You never know. But I did have my toiletries. I have a plastic bag here where I keep like hand sanitizer, lotion, deodorant, and some pain medicine, because like I did tell you, I am on my monthly. I have some wipes here just in case. And I did bring my level here, or it like doubles as a measuring tape. You can see it there. Yep. So it's a measuring tape. And then of course you can't have a road trip without some good tunes. So I have my iPod. It should be all set up with my Spotify and everything, the newest songs that I've downloaded on my Spotify. Sorry for the lighting going in and out, but it should have the newest stuff on my Spotify. That way I can kind of talk to you guys on my way to Ikea and stuff like that. And then, if I start jamming out to some tunes, then maybe I'll kind of show you guys what tunes I'm jamming out to. So yeah, I am getting ready to make sure everything is straight. I'm gonna stop by the gas station and get a little bit of gas. It's gonna take me about 180 to 200 miles to get there, depending on traffic, you know how that goes. But right now I have 160 miles left until I am on E. So I'm gonna go put a little bit of gas in here, take it a little bit over 200, and then we're going to get on the road. Hey guys, so I just finished pumping gas and I am getting ready to hit the road. I will probably show you guys some footage of me driving there, and hopefully I'll get some clips of me like singing some songs and stuff like that. And I will catch back up with you guys when I hit Ikea. of the party. Always get it started. And I so difficult. Walk by, feel a trap. La booty smack. Don't need a lot of ass. Go badu, boot up. Baby dadu, boot up. Got my heart go badu, boot up. Baby dadu, it just won't stop. It go.
Every time I ever shoot below the net, why you keep on shooting if you know that nigga dead? That's the only kind of shit that gets you some respect. Yeah.
Okay, so was any of my subscribers Degrassi fans? Like, I did not know Drake because he became a rapper. I knew Aubrey on freaking Degrassi. He was like my favorite. I was in love with Jimmy. I was so upset when he got shot. But if you have not seen I'm Upset, if you haven't seen his latest single and you love Degrassi, you're gonna love his video because he dropped a video a few days ago and it was like a Degrassi class reunion. Watch it! But I love this song, y'all. Hey guys, so I made it to Ikea. There's somebody in a car next to me that's probably looking at me thinking that I'm a little weird talking to myself right now, but I made it to Ikea. The drive was not bad at all. As you saw, I got my sing on a little bit. But yeah, I'm getting ready to get myself together and go ahead and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I will see you in Ikea. to the desk section, guys. Okay, so I think I am. See, this is like a little laptop support, and it's only $5.99. I am gonna get one of these, but oh, good, they have them in black. I was like, oh no, they only have them in pink. Yuck. But they do have them in black, so I'm gonna grab one of these. So cute. Okay, so you just saw me at the loading zone. I'm gonna go grab my car, come around and pick up my things. Hopefully no one takes it. So we're gonna do that. Very successful trip at Ikea, guys. Hey guys, so that is a wrap for Ikea. I am done at the Ikea store. As you can see in the back there, I have 3 boxes. That's my tabletop. That's the Mickey desk. That's the Alex drawers to the Linneman tabletop. And then I have a bag, I don't know if you can see it, let's see, down there with stuff in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and head home, and then when I get home I will kind of take everything out of the blue bag and show you guys what I got in the blue bag from Ikea. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this trip to Ikea so far. I got a lot of footage in Ikea. I probably won't put all of it in this video. You probably didn't see all of it just because it was a lot, and me and my mom plan on coming back to Ikea either next weekend or the weekend after to pick up some other things. So I wanted to video as much as I can so I can kind of get an idea of what's going on in that store and what I need to come back and get the next trip. But I got everything that I needed for this trip, so I'm very excited about that. But now, like I said, I'm gonna head home and I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. Hey guys, so make sure my music's turned down because I don't want anybody to flag me for copyright. I made it home to Richmond and it didn't really take me that long. It said I was gonna get back to Richmond at 1:30 and it's actually 1:10. So I got back pretty quickly, which I am happy about. I decided that I'm gonna go to my grandmother's house for a little bit before I go home, because once I get home, I don't think I'm coming back out. But yeah, I just started driving, so I will catch up with you guys hopefully when I get home. If you haven't noticed by now, this Keke Palmer song is like my fave. And I'm so hey y'all, so I am back from Ikea and finally home. So I got home and my stepdad is enjoying his Father's Day gift that me and my mom got for him. We got him a power washer off of Amazon and it's working pretty good. He's doing the house right now, so I'm gonna walk around actually the outside and show you guys what he's doing. He did some of the front, which you can see that the floor is wet from him power washing, and like all of our furniture is in the yard that was on the porch. But I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see. Looks like he's enjoying it. And this is the power washer we got off of Amazon just in case. Just in case you guys wanted to know where, what kind of power washer it was and where we got it from. So I am walking into the house now and I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Ikea. So here is a lovely Ikea bag, and I'm gonna turn this off. My stepdad's always watching somebody's sports. So let's kind of go through this bag
cut the light on, show you guys what I got. Okay, so first of all, when you go to Ikea, if you didn't know, they do not provide you with shopping bags, but they do have these that you can buy, and it was $1.20, I think, 29 cents or something like that for the bag. So I just went ahead and bought the bag. First thing I'll show you are these bins. I got these bins right here. They look like this. So I got these white bins for some storage. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be putting in these things yet, but I know that I have plenty of things to put in them. I got these here. Those were only 99 cents a piece, and these were only 49 cents a piece. So I got these 4 little cups, and they have this little hook thing in the back. So I got this rod here. I actually got 2 of them, and these rods you can screw onto the wall, and then the cup, I don't know if it'll do it while it's in the plastic. Let's see if I can make this work. Yay! Okay, so then the little cup hangs off of this, and then this will be on the wall. So then I'll have cups to put things in. But I got 2 of those rods, which the rods were only $1.99 a piece. And like I said, these were 50 and these were 99 cents. I got a pack of magazine holders, which I think in the video I showed the price to this, and I think it was like $4.99 or $6.99, something like that. So not bad. And then this is the laptop tray that I got that's gonna go on the desk. So I'm excited about that. And then these little hooks right here, just got some extra hooks in case I didn't want to hang this. These you can hang things off of, and they hang on the bar. I got this cute like gray and white pattern, circle pattern duvet. It comes with the cover and the pillowcases. And then I got 2 fake little greenery trees or plants, I guess. They're fake because I can't take care of plants, although my mom tries to. She has some real ones over there. But I got those, and then I got these white pots to go with them. So I think these were $3.99 maybe, and then these were $1.99 or $2.99 or something like that. So yeah, and then of course you saw I got the Cinnamon Alex desk and the Mickey desk, and that's all that I got from Ikea. Okay guys, so that is everything that I got at Ikea. I'm excited. It is a good start. Like I said, I'm going to be going back to Ikea to be getting some more things. But I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this Ikea shopping trip. And ooh, look at my necklace. It's like really jacked there. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this Ikea haul, and if you really did enjoy it, please give me a big thumbs up so that this video can reach other planner babes and organizers out there who want to see videos like this, as well as give me a subscribe, because if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be a part of my creative tribe. And I know you want to be a part of my creative tribe, so go ahead and hit that button, and I will catch you guys in the next video.